Hello mga ka-keto sina! Welcome back to Yan Yan Kitchen. So for today's video, I will be showing you my low-carb shirataki spaghetti recipe, which is a very well-known noodles in the keto industry. So originally, shirataki is from Japan. It came from konjac plant, which they refer to elephant yam. Shirataki noodles are made from 97% water and 3% konjac, containing glucomannan, a water-soluble dietary fiber. They are very low in digestible carbohydrates and food energy and have a little flavor of their own. Ayan, sa first step natin guys, gagamit tayo ng olive oil. You can also use a keto-friendly palm oil. Magsaute kayo guys ng 1/4 kilo ground chicken. Actually, that's half kilo. But since I will be making another sauce which is high carb for my family, I used 1/4 kilo ground chicken. And then, saute nyo lang siya until lumabas yung natural oil ng chicken. Don't forget to put 1 teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon ground black pepper. You can also use ground pork or ground beef. Depende yun kung ano yung gusto nyo or ano yung mas bet nyo sa spaghetti. Ako kasi chicken. And then do not forget to put dried basil. And if bet nyo siya medyo maanghang para mawala yung tamis, lagyan nyo ng chili flakes. Damihan nyo kung bet nyo yung mas maanghang pa. Naglalagay ako guys ng 2 to 3 tablespoons low carb, keto-friendly butter para pambadagdag linamnam sa sauce. Gisa nyo siya guys for 2 to 3 minutes until maging brown yung meat. And then once na ma-achieve nyo na yung gusto ng texture sa chicken or sa pork, you can put your garlic or finely chopped garlic, mga 2 to 3 tablespoons, and then half part ng chopped onion. And then pagkatapos igisa, after 2 to 3 minutes, pwede na nating ilagay yung tomato paste. So bakit tomato paste guys? Hindi tomato sauce. Kasi may sugar added yung tomato sauce and mas mataas yung carbohydrates content ng tomato sauce compared sa tomato paste. Medyo mas maasim nga lang talaga yung tomato paste. So, lalagyan natin siya ng 1/4 cup ng water para malesen yung pagkaasim niya. And para mas malasahan pa natin yung Filipino style or yung mas matamis na sauce ng spaghetti, lalagyan natin siya ng 1 pack ng 250 grams all-purpose cream or Nestle all-purpose cream. And if you will check the nutrition facts, guys, pasok siya sa daily intake ng carbohydrates natin. Oops, wait, di ba keto ka? Ba't naglalagay ka ng carrots? Ayon sa research ko, guys, ang isang medium or small to medium carrots ay merong 9.6 grams ng carbohydrates. So, since maglalagay lang naman tayo ng mga 2 to 3 tablespoons ng chopped carrots. And then, lalagyan na rin natin siya ng chopped bell pepper para mas malasa or mas ma-feel natin yung lasa ng Filipino style spaghetti sauce. And then, maglalagay na rin tayo guys ng 2 teaspoons sucralose sweetener or yung sugar substitute na tinatawag para mas ma-feel natin yung tamis ng Filipino style spaghetti sauce. And haluin nyo lang ng haluin hanggang mahilo. Char. Ayan. So, okay na yung low carb spaghetti sauce natin. Next naman, gagawa tayo ng high carb spaghetti sauce, which is yung normal spaghetti sauce para sa pamilya ko. Syempre, hindi lang naman ako yung kakain. So, alam nyo na yung paggawa ng normal na spaghetti sauce, guys. Kayo na mag-adjust. Basahin nyo na lang yung mga instructions. Gusto ko lang i-share yung natutunan ko this week, guys. So, binigyan ko siya ng title. Ang title niya is Improvement Always Begins With Me. Attitude towards what you are doing affects your life. At times of failure, it is time to take responsibility and commit to a plan to change. Failing in everything that you do, making wrong decisions, or simply you're not achieving your target, when you find yourself in this situation, guys, it is often because you're stuck in a rut and not sure what to do to improve yourself. Siguro yung first step natin, guys, is ask ourselves rather. And the question is, what did I do wrong? And next step is to work out how to solve your problem. Always remember that if plan A failed, there are lots of alphabets left. Go make your plan A to Z. But always remember that do not always dwell on your options B to Z because it is nice to succeed in your plan A. My number 2 step is adopt a positive mental attitude. Instead of thinking that I'm a failure, always think that you can do it. You are far better than this. Sabi nga ng Miss Universe, Catriona Gary, the longest journey starts with a single step. O, diba? Nagbi-Miss Universe na tayo. Take positive steps towards positivity and thinking that you can do it. And it is possible to achieve your dreams. And my number 3 step is, I think this is very helpful, especially this pandemic. We need to talk to people who can uplift our morale and give genuine and helpful thoughts. Do not be afraid to accept constructive criticisms or advices. In that way, you will know what to change and where to improve. And my 4th step, guys, is pay more attention on your journey. Do not compare yourself to other people's success to journey. Journey to success. Because everyone is unique. Always tell yourself that I will be successful in my own way, in God's perfect way, or God's perfect time. Enjoy every step of the way because you will always learn something from it. And syempre, last but not the least, do not forget to enjoy life. Because sometimes we forget to cherish the moment we have with our loved ones because we are too stiffed and focused on the future that is ahead of us. It's okay to always plan ahead of time, but do not forget to celebrate that you are healthy and alive with the people you loved most. I hope may napulot kayong aral today, guys. And I hope nakatulong ako sa pinagdadaanan nyo ngayon. And I hope nagustuhan nyo yung video na to. So, if you like this video, guys, please click the like button and please subscribe. You can also comment down below your questions regarding this recipe. And if meron kayong gustong i-share na recipe, your keto recipe or low carb recipe, please feel free to comment down below. Always take care, guys. Bye.
It looks spicy.